Hello everyone. So this is Dr. Ayushi Srivastav, and a lot of people. I have another YouTube channel where I post educational content about, my field, medical related. So a lot of people are ask me and DM me about my skincare routine. So I woke up like an hour ago and I've just come out of the shower. I know I don't look like it, but because I didn't wash my face, and I thought I might as well record a video where I show my bare skin, no filter, because I believe that in natural light, I'll just show you. Oh, see. I am shooting this in natural light because I believe that usually if you shoot in your room in like artificial light, it is usually deceiving, I feel, even though you do not apply filters and all, but it is a bit deceiving. But this is my bare skin. I've just woken up and see, you can see this is, I have nothing on my skin or just a few mosquito bites. So this is my bare skin, and I'll just quickly wash my face and come back to you, and then I'll show you my simple 3-step basic skincare routine, because I believe that less is more. You do not need a very complicated skincare routine, because to be honest, I am not an influencer as such, and it's okay to be an influencer, but still you can influence people to be good at the bare minimum. I feel that those 7 steps skincare routine is something that I don't think that everybody can afford. Also, it's not needed because skin cannot absorb so much of whatever you apply, so it's basically a waste. So yeah, I'll just come back to you quickly after washing my face, and then we'll move straight away into my skincare routine. So yeah, I'll just come back. Or should I wash it in front of you guys only, so that it's not deceiving? But before that, let's fix my hair, because of course we do not want all of this to get wet in this cold weather. I live in the north and it's very cold here, so yeah. So we'll just quickly tie up the hair. I'll use a simple hair tie. So we are fixed. Now we'll move to wash our face, and then we'll quickly get back to skincare. So you can use any simple face wash, any face wash that suits your skin. My skin type is normal, usually normal, sometimes combination during the summers. So I use this, I have actually ordered this sample pack. Basically, I love the Foxtail sunscreen. So along with that, I got this sample pack of Foxtail Super Glow face wash, and I think I really like it. So I'm gonna order the big size for this one. So I'm gonna wash my face with this. You do not have to take too much of face wash, because if you use too much of it, it lathers a lot and then it dries out your skin. So we do not need too much of that. We just want the skin to be clean. And actually, it's not the amount of face wash that matters, it's basically the amount of time you apply to wash your skin. It's all clean, right? Let's wash it. I'm doing this because the water is very cold, but it does help with the puffiness of my face, because it's very cold. So it does help with all the puffiness that I get, after my sleep. So yeah, that viral ice therapy that people do, they dip their face in a bowl of ice water. I cannot usually do that because I'm very sensitive to cold, and if I dip my face directly into the ice water, I just catch cold. So what I usually do is that I just during summers I wash my face with normal water at room temperature. During winters, because the water naturally is very cold, so it does help. But yeah, so my face is all clean, you can see. All clean. So I am usually not a fan of air drying my face, which is also very usual these days, that people just sit back and let their face get dried. I am not a big fan of that, because that dripping of water through my face and to my clothes is a bit irritating to me. So let's just move directly into skincare. So we'll quickly wipe our face. You can use any soft microfiber cloth to wipe your face, and you do not need to drag it, because I think usually it really scratches your face off, and you do not want that. Just simply dab it on your skin and dry your face. So that's what it is. Clean. I think that mosquito, I must take revenge. So yeah, now you can take any vitamin C serum, any that you have that seems to work for you. You can take that and apply it directly. I'm sorry if I'm getting very close to the screen because I am technically blind. People say that we shouldn't touch the dropper of the serum on our face, but to be honest, I do not know how to do it otherwise. Just my natural reflexes for sure. Okay, whatever is left on your hand, just apply it on your neck, the most neglected part of your body. So yeah, now let it dry on your skin before you move to the next step, that is moisturizing your face, because I do not apply any other serum or layer it with any other toner or anything like that, because right now I'm at home waiting for my counseling to get finished, because I am going to start with my post graduation in like my MD soon. So I'm at home right now because nobody is giving us jobs anyway. So I do not need any complicated skincare. I don't think we need any complicated skincare any which ways. So I think it's dry almost. Right now we'll move to the next step, that is moisturizer. Take any moisturizer which works for you. Actually an year back I went through a very severe allergy on my neck and this area, a very severe allergy. That is why you'll see that I have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my neck, because I used to get a lot of rashes and itching and everything because of something I used to eat. I do not know what, but something that I used to eat, or maybe I used to wear a chain, a chain which was silver. Maybe because of that, I do not really know that what was the reason. I tried to like document everything that I eat, everything that I wear, and to get to the allergen which is causing me that much of allergy, because 2 years I was having like severe allergies all over my neck. There were rashes all over, and that led to so much of hyperpigmentation on my neck. So for that I apply alpha arbutin cream to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. Although it may not seem to you guys that it has worked on my skin, but it has, because this was much worse all over my neck. So now apparently I did a lot of treatment for myself for this. So now I'm relieved of the allergy, and I did cut down on a lot of things that I used to eat. So yeah, it has somewhat relieved my allergies. So for that I'm gonna apply alpha arbutin cream all over my neck to help with the hyperpigmentation, and post that we'll move to the moisturizer. So if you are also like struggling with any kind of hyperpigmentation, be it because of allergies or suntan or anything like that, or naturally like you have melasma or anything like that, you can ask me for the link. I'll definitely give it to you, and it has helped me a lot. I hope it helps you. So I usually take like a pea size amount of this, like this much, and I apply it all over my skin all over my neck, once a day, twice a day actually, one in the morning and then in the night as well. So yeah, so that's what I apply. So yeah, now sorry, I just dropped it. So now we'll move to a moisturizer. I use this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I think this works for my body, for my neck, for my face, everything. I think it's the best, and my actually dermat recommended this when I was going through the severe allergies, because this is fragrance free and everything. So like it has no allergen whatsoever, so I think it will suit the ultra sensitive skin too. But otherwise, if you do not struggle with anything, oh my god, I think it's almost sorry, it's almost done, I think. So if you have normal skin, then you can go for any moisturizer whatsoever. My skin literally feels so nourished after applying this. Like it literally drinks this moisturizer. Now moving to the sunscreen. I told you that I love the Foxtail sunscreen, but this is yet another sunscreen that I really like. That is Aqualogica Glow Dewy Sunscreen in the like yellow variant, papaya and vitamin C. I think I really like this sunscreen. It doesn't peel off, doesn't give a white cast. It's really nice and nourishing. So I usually like to apply directly on my face. I do not know what hygiene people talk about. It's literally your own face, washed and everything. So since I am at home, I do not like to go overboard with the sunscreen like that 3-finger or 2-finger rule. I just directly apply and I feel it's enough amount for my entire face. Like that. Do not forget your ear and your neck. So that's about it of my skincare. I think you can now see everything. These are the mosquito bites, otherwise my skin is like was doing okay. So that's about it for my skincare. Sorry for like literally getting into the camera because I'm quite blind without my specs. So that's one of the reason I'm like literally into the camera. So I'll improve on that from the next time. And if you need any advice or anything like that, because I'm also a doctor, I'm not into dermatology, but I have read dermatology, so basics I can always tell you about. So yeah, you can ask me about that and about anything that I use or do not use. And then if you like this video, then we'll move to something else. You suggest me and then we'll make some other video. Okay, let's go. Bye.